In this video, I am going to show you how to solve ChatGPT conversation not showing issues in less than 2 minutes. Hey, welcome to Smart AI Tutorials. Now let's get started. Don't get panic. It's easy to solve. Basically, there are 2 things that need to be fixed. First of all, get into your ChatGPT account, tap on the 3 dots, and go to Settings. In the Settings, you can see Data Controls. From there you can see the chat history and training, which should be enabled. When you enable it, the conversations will be saved on your browser history, so that you can refer anytime, and it will be available even for years. If it was not enabled before, then the conversations will not be saved, and it will be automatically deleted from GPT every 30 days. So, make sure to enable this. Another problem would be that when you keep ChatGPT open for a long time, the session would expire. This leads to temporary loss of conversations and history. Also, ChatGPT is restricted to 16,384 characters for a session, and after that, the session may expire. Once the session expires, the conversations will not be shown. A session is nothing but the time that ChatGPT is kept open till some restricted time. Please don't clear your browser cookies or cache, which leads to permanent loss of data. To solve this, try refreshing the page. It would be solved in most cases. Or else tap on the 3 dots and click on Logout and log in again. Now you can see that all the conversations are visible. If you find value in this video, give us a thumbs up. Have a nice day.